Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I hope you are always given happiness. And before we start this class, it will be nice we say Bismillah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, let's begin. Here we are going to explain about expression of greeting and parting and expression of thanking and apologizing. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. I am Najwa Aliana Sihudin.
I'm Naya Fana.
Do you know about this before?
Now, without just realize, this is something we usually do every day when we meet someone, right? So you must be familiar with this material. Then I'm going to explain about expression greeting and parting. So before that, I would like to ask you a simple question. If you want to greet someone, what do you do?
Hi.
How about you? Like this. And then I will explain a bit more about this. So, greeting is an expression or sentences used to greet someone when we're meeting or starting a conversation. The purpose of greeting is to show respect, kindness, or concern to others. And then, so expression of greeting is refers to the way people acknowledge or welcome each other in social interaction. It could be word, phrases, or even just a gesture to show your respect, friendly, or just acknowledge someone present. And then this expression of greeting are usually when we use meet someone and then starting conversation or just for polite manner. Next. Here are some types of greeting expression and example. For verbal greetings, these are phrases or words when we greet someone. For example, good morning, and then how are you? Or you can say hi, what's going, like this. And then for non-verbal greetings, this involves gesture or body language to acknowledge someone, waving your hand and someone as a greeting, like this. Hi Hannah. If someone wants you waving your hand, you also waving your hand to me. Hi. Now like this, and then nodding your head as a sign of recognition, and then smiling nodding as a form of like acknowledge or respect, like this. Next, for time specific greetings. If you want to greet someone in the morning, you can say good morning, or even you want to greet someone in the afternoon, you can say good afternoon, like this. And then I will give you example in conversation. For formal conversation, you can say good morning sir, or how are you today, like this. For an informal conversation, this is more casual or more chill. You can say with your friend, family, or your peers, like hey, long time no see, how have you been, like this. Here are some types of parting expression and some example. For formal goodbyes, this is often used when in this professional situation. You can say goodbye, farewell, or this was a pleasure meeting you. And then for informal goodbyes, this is usually when we meet your friends, family, or your peers. You can say bye, see ya, or take care. And then for example, who wanna try make this conversation?
Me.
Yeah, please give applause for Devita dan Hana.
I have to go now. Okay, see you later. Thank you. You too. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
And now I will show you a video about expression of greeting and parting, and let's get watching together.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning to Elise. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the English competition?
Absolutely. I am sure I can win the competition.
Good job.
Expression which are used in conversation is good morning, and the response is good morning too. And this is a video about example about parting expression.
Jerry, I bought a new basketball yesterday. Let's play it together.
That's a good idea.
Can we play it this afternoon at 4 p.m.?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to reject it. But I have an English course at 3 p.m. until 5 p.m.
It's not your fault. We can play basketball on the weekend.
Sure. The bus has arrived. I have to go to the course right now. Goodbye.
Bye.
And this is expression which are used in conversation is goodbye, and the response is bye. And that is an example if you want to start a conversation or end a conversation. Hopefully you understand and can difference between them.
And now I will explain about expression of thanking and apologizing. In everyday communication, the ability to express gratitude and apologize is essential. These expressions are part of basic social ethic and help us maintain positive relationship with others. By learning how to thank and apologize appropriately, we can show respect, appreciation, and understanding, which are crucial in building trust and cooperation in both formal and informal situations. Does anyone know why this topic is important? Okay, I will tell you. Why is this topic is important? The first one is thanking. Thanking is someone acknowledges their kindness, effort, and assistance. It makes them feel appreciated and valued. And for apologizing, it allows us to take responsibility for our action, show respect, and mend any misunderstanding or mistakes. In English, there are different ways to thank and apologize depending on the level of formality, who we are speak to, and the situation. For example, you might say thanks a lot to friend or family, and then you may say I deeply appreciate it to teacher or boss. Understanding this difference is key to using this expression effectively. And then next is where are formal and informal expression used. Formal expressions are usually used in situations where politeness and respect are expected, such as when you are in the workplace, during meetings, or in official events, while non-formal expressions are used in situations where you are relaxed, such as when you are with friend, family, or party. Do you understand up to this point? If so, let's continue. This is the expression of thanking. There is two situations, that is formal situation and informal situation. I will say the expression and you can say the response, okay? If I say thank you very much, your response is? If I say, I really appreciate it, your response is? If I say, I deeply grateful, your response is? Okay. And for informal situation, if I say thanks, your response is? If I say thanks a lot, your response is? And the last one, if I say cheers, your response is? Okay, give applause for all. And there is expression of apologizing. There is two situations. That is formal situation and informal situation. Same as before, if I say the expression, you say the response, okay? If I say I apologize for the delay, your response is? That's alright. If I say I'm terribly sorry, your response is? And if I say, please forgive me, your response is? It's okay. And for informal situation, if I say sorry, your response is? It's fine. If I said my bad, your response is? Don't worry about it. And the last one, if I say, oops, I'm sorry, your response is? Okay, give applause.
And this is conversation for expression thinking.
Mom, do you call me? Yes, I do. Come here. I have to say something with you. What is that? Listen to me. I have a good news for you. Next week we want to go to the beach to celebrate your birthday. Yeah. I like beach. Thank you so much, Mom. Don't mention it, dear. We should take much photos, Mom. Of course. Let's do it.
And the expression which are used in conversation is thank you so much, and the response is the mentioning. Did you know what situation that is formal or informal? Informal. No? Informal? Yeah, that's right. Give applause. Next. And this is the expression of apologizing.
Good afternoon, Dad. I'm sorry because I'm late.
Good afternoon, Alex. It doesn't matter. Can you tell me what is the reason? Later?
Of course.
All right. Come in. So, tell me the truth. Why are you late?
Forgive me. I'm terribly sorry about coming back late. Because after the course, my friends asked me to play football together.
Don't worry about it. Next time, you should tell me if you want to go home late.
All right, Dad.
So the expression which are used in this conversation is forgive me, I'm terribly sorry about that. And then the response is don't worry about it. So that's an example if you want to start a conversation and a conversation. Hopefully you understand and can different between them.
And this is a complete dialogue about greeting, parting, thanking, and also apologizing.
One day, Sarah met Emma in the street corner. She was surprised because they have never met in a long time.
Emma, is that you? Yes, hello Sarah. How are you? Hi Emma, I am great. How about you? I am good. I'm glad to see you again. What are you doing, Emma? I am looking for some books for my little brother. That's good. There are a lot of good books for children. Yeah. I think it has been a long time we didn't meet each other. I heard that you just came back from your study. Is it right? You're right. I just came back from my study in America. Wow, great. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you. My pleasure. Anyway, my brother is waiting for me at home. I am sorry I have to go home now. We can meet in another time. See you later. No problem. See you.
The expression which are used in conversation is hello, hi, and then how are you?
I'm great.
And then thank you.
My pleasure.
And then I'm sorry.
No problem.
And the last one is see you later.
See you.
Okay, because the material is end, now we will hold a game.
It seems you have understood the material and you will have your understanding. Here we will state an expression and you answer with the correct response.
Okay, the rules of the game are I will mention the situation and you answer with the correct response, okay? Okay, let's start to the first question. What would you say when you pick up the phone? That's right.
And what would you say when leaving a gathering with your friends?
See you.
Nice.
Number 3, what would you say if someone helped you carry your bags?
Thank you.
And then the last one is, what would you say if you were come late to a meeting?
I'm sorry.
Give applause! Yay!
Because the time is up, we will close this class with say Hamdalah together. Thank you, and you can leave the class now.